ingredients in the beginning took more time to make than baking the pie. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, the 8th of August, 8/8/2020. Welcome to all of you. Yes, I have my piece of pie that you saw me cut there, and I'll tell you, it is really cut beautifully, just looks beautiful. Very easy recipe. Thank you, Lisa Sweats, for providing that for me. How easy it was to make. It also marks kind of a turning point in my baking, because I had not done a crust that was not pre-baked and then put filling in and then put it in the oven or let it set. But this one, I rolled out the pie dough, put it in, then put the filling into it and into the oven she went. And I'll tell you, it's probably the best pie crust I ever produced. Very easy recipe: a cup of buttermilk, cup and a half of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour. I didn't have that, so I put a half a teaspoon or teaspoon of baking powder in with the 4 tablespoons of flour. That helps set it. And boy, it sure turned out beautiful. I'll tell you what, it is unbelievable, just on appearance. So let's go ahead here. It's just incredible. This may be the best pie I ever had, and I've made lemon meringue and everything else. This thing just forks beautifully here. See how that all holds up there. And the crust is so tender on this thing. That's what really blew me away. Great flavor. If you have an unbaked pie shell, sometimes you can pick them up in the refrigerator section. You'll be able to knock this out in about an hour. But wow, look at the top finish. It kind of it caramelized a little bit on the top and gave beautiful color. Hands down, this pie is incredible. I could not find the whole buttermilk, but even the 1.5%, the reduced fat, just worked out beautifully. It's got a delicate flavor to it. Perfect pie for summertime too. Perfect pie for summertime. And the crust just blows me away. So how's your day going? As I stuff my face shamelessly here. Can't believe how flaky the crust is. I still can't believe how easy the pie was to just combine 2 eggs. There's 2 eggs with a cup and a half of sugar, a cup of buttermilk, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, and you've got it. The 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour. Put it all in there and throw it into a shell. This might be my best. This might be my best mukbang ever. Oh, there goes the fork. Who needs forks, right? God gave his hands for a reason. Man, it's flying everywhere. I'm gonna cry. I dropped a piece of crust. Don't hate on me because I eat like a Superlatives escape me. Thanks for tuning in this morning, everybody. This is a must-do pie. Easy to make, a lot of fun, and one of the best tasting pies I've ever had. Special shout out and thank you to Lisa. Thanks so much for the recipe, and for the rest of you, thumbs up are appreciated. Hope you like that little B-roll sequence in the beginning. I'm still in massive training program here, so yeah. Keep training. Thanks, everybody.